Number 1. 1967 Pontiac Bonneville, $6,500, Newark, California. This 1967 Pontiac Bonneville is a true survivor, presented in all original condition and stored for many years. Powered by a 400 cubic inch V8, paired with a 400 automatic transmission, it also features power windows, power seats, cruise control, and a power glide rear end. The car is complete with original interior, 2 sets of hubcaps, and fender skirts. While it turns over, the carburetor needs rebuilding. With a clean title and new tires, this full-size coupe has a solid foundation for restoration. Bonneville models of this era were known for their size, luxury, and performance, making them a desirable choice for collectors looking for originality at a reasonable price. Number 2. 1968 Chevrolet Bellair, $6,900, Dallas, Texas. This 1968 Chevrolet Bellair 4-door sedan is a well-maintained and garage-kept classic. Under the hood is the dependable 307 cubic inch V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. The vehicle has received recent mechanical attention, including new brakes and a new battery. It also comes equipped with working air conditioning, a rarity for a budget classic from this period. With 110,000 miles on the odometer and a clean title, this Bellair offers great value for an entry-level classic that is ready to drive and enjoy. Number 3. 1971 Datsun 240Z, $7,500, Lapine, Oregon. An iconic Japanese sports car, the 1971 Datsun 240Z offered here is a restorer's dream. It has been off the road for over 20 years, but still starts, drives, and stops. The odometer reads 90,000 miles. While it needs carburetor and exhaust work, it reportedly has only minimal rust, mainly on the driver's floor. With a clean title and a manual transmission, this early Z car is highly collectible. These cars are increasingly valuable, and a well-restored example can command significant attention in today's market. $1955 Ford Custom Line, $9,600, Glendale, Arizona. This 1955 Ford Custom Line 4-door sedan is a mostly restored example featuring a 223 cubic inch inline-6 engine mated to a 3-speed manual transmission with overdrive. The car has undergone a full 12-volt electrical conversion and drives exceptionally well. With 69,000 miles on the odometer and a clean Arizona title, the remaining work needed is limited to paint and minor body touch-ups. The Custom Line was a mid-tier Ford offering in the mid-50s and makes a great vintage cruiser with simple mechanicals and charming styling. Number 5. 1964 Plymouth Belvadier, $8,500, Poway, California. This 2-door 1964 Plymouth Belvadier has been revived from a salvage yard and now sports a strong-running 440 cubic inch engine from the 1970s, paired with a 727 push-button automatic transmission and a sure grip rear differential with 3.91 gears. While it retains its original solid body with minor rust, the car is mechanically sound and fitted with 15-inch Keystone Classic wheels and a Flowmaster exhaust. Despite its salvage title, this Belvedere offers real muscle car potential for the price, and with some love, could become a standout street machine. Number 6. 1970 Oldsmobile 98, 7995 Appleton, Wisconsin. This 1970 Oldsmobile 98 four-door sedan is a well-preserved land yacht from the peak of American luxury. With a powerful 455 cubic inch V8 producing 360 horsepower and a smooth automatic transmission, this full-size Olds has presence. It has received a recent makeover including fresh paint, a new vinyl top, and updated interior. The odometer has rolled over from 108,000 miles. It carries a clean title and represents a strong value in a market that's rediscovering the appeal of plush, full-size 70s cruisers. Number 7. 1979 Chevrolet Impala 9500 Minneapolis, Minnesota. This 1979 Chevrolet Impala is a true family heirloom, passed down from the original owner and showing only 18,434 miles on the odometer. Aside from a modern stereo upgrade, the vehicle remains completely original. Body, interior, drivetrain, and engine. Garage kept and well preserved, this Impala is a time capsule of late 70s American automotive design. With a clean Minnesota title, it's an excellent investment for anyone seeking a near pristine and affordable classic. Number 8. 1974 Chevrolet Camaro, $6,000, Riverbank, California. A bargain in the classic muscle car world. This 1974 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe comes with a V8 engine, a new automatic transmission, and a clean California title. With only 58,517 miles on the odometer, this second-generation Camaro is mostly original and in good condition. As one of the more affordable years for the Camaro, this car provides a great platform for future upgrades or as a raw and honest weekend cruiser. Number 9. 1973 Volvo 1800 ES, $10,000, Portland, Oregon. This 1973 Volvo 1800 ES is one of only 8,000 produced, making it a rare classic. It was a daily driver, but now needs mechanical attention, including brake and ignition repairs. The odometer was replaced after braking at 80,000 miles, and the car now reads 200,000 miles. Despite its fair condition and a few rust spots, this shooting brake remains highly collectible. Restored examples are valued upwards of $50,000. If you are looking for a unique European classic project, this one is a worthwhile candidate. Number 10. 1973 Ford Mustang Granite Coupe, $12,500, Boise, Idaho. Offered with a clean Idaho title, this 1973 Ford Mustang Grand Coupe is a turnkey example featuring a 351 Cleveland crate engine and a 4-barrel Holley carburetor. Refurbished in 2012 and still in good condition, this Mustang has front disc brakes, limited edition wheels, and documentation for some repairs. Although it was sitting before being purchased, it is currently running well and only needs minor cosmetic improvements. This is a handsome pony car that combines vintage style with modern drivability. Number 11. 1979 Pontiac Trans Am 10th Anniversary Edition, $13,000, Clovis, California. This is the real deal. An original numbers matching 1979 Pontiac Trans Am 10th Anniversary Edition. With only 1,000 miles on a rebuilt engine, this classic muscle car features new tires, a new exhaust system, and documented maintenance. With prices for anniversary editions on the rise, this is an appealing opportunity for collectors looking for a unique and powerful Trans Am with a clean title and iconic styling. Number 12. 1979 MG Midget Inca Gold, 14,500 Palos Verdes, California. Finished in vibrant Inca Gold and showing just 5,500 original miles, this 1979 MG Midget is in outstanding condition. Refurbished in 2019 with a $15,000 investment, the car retains its original drivetrain, soft top, and interior features. Upgrades include LED lighting throughout, reupholstered seats, restored wire wheels, and a classic Nardi-style steering wheel. With a clean title and every function working flawlessly, this Midget is a spectacular British roadster, perfect for spirited drives down the California coast or showing off at your local Cars and Coffee.